and Olive Board was one of the very important sources for that. Your YouTube videos, for the explainers, the MCQ series on different reports, budget, economic surveys, that provided me with very good practice. I also extracted content out of those explainer videos to include in my notes.
ऑलिव बोर्ड का वो मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम था, उसमें अनिल सर के 2-3 सेशंस हुए थे, तो उन्होंने भी गाइड किया कि क्या अप्रोच रखना चाहिए, अगर मेंस का पेपर के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है तो वो कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, प्रीलिम्स के लिए अगर अप्रोच रखना है तो वो कैसे रखना है, तो इस तरह से ओवरऑल फिर एग्जीक्यूशन के साथ में हुए।
RBI Grade B exam is going to take place very soon, and if you are the one who have still not started, do not worry, we are here for you. So we are here with the launch of crash course for both phase 1 as well as phase 2, in which we will be covering syllabus very comprehensively. And when I'm talking about this particular syllabus, it is very important to actually see that what we are actually providing to you in this particular course. So of course, we are giving the holistic information, as in the holistic coverage of phase 1 as well as phase 2, which is going to cover live classes as well as video sessions also. We are taking care of your notes, we are taking care of your tests as well. In live classes, you are going to get 105 plus live classes, specifically ESI, Finance and Management. 45 plus lectures will be there in the descriptive writing section. 45 plus live lectures will be there considering QRE. 70 plus recorded lectures will be there regarding QRE foundation as well. So we are starting from the basics and we are taking care and we are taking you to the advanced level also. Now let's consider the other parts when it comes on to coverage of this current affairs. So we are taking into consideration phase 1 as well as phase 2 current affairs also, in which phase 1 60 plus video lectures will be there. Phase 2 25 plus lectures will be there, specifically of ESI CA classes. 20 plus PIB new sessions will be there. 25 plus finance CA sessions will be there. 12 plus budget survey classes with MCQs are going to be there. Along with that, you will be provided with a monthly compilation of schemes, of PIB session and of the other parts also, which are very, very important from an examination perspective. Along with that, notes, detailed notes of every class will be provided to you, and that is of course downloadable. So if you are anywhere, you can just open that particular PDF and you can read them. Along with that, when I talk about mock tests, so of course test is one of the key pillars of your examination. Without giving test, you cannot ensure the success, right? So we are taking care of the notes as well as in the tests as well. 20 phase 1 and 30 phase 2 full length mock tests will be there. 30 full length descriptive tests with evaluation from the mentors will be there. 75 plus topic tests for ESI and Finance and Management will be there. 15 RBI phase 1 specific sections is also going to be there. Along with that, mock interview will also be given to you people here. Those individuals who of course clear the examination as in phase 2, they will be given chance to prepare for the interviews as well, mock interviews specifically. Now as in when I talk about the language, so language is not going to be an obstacle here. We are using, you will get the entire sessions in the English only. Along with that, when it comes on to validity part, so of course lectures will be provided to you 24/7. So anytime, anywhere you can access them, okay? As in when I talk about the validity, so till phase 2, the completion of phase 2, every information, as in every detailed syllabus is going to be with you. The validity is going to be till phase 2, till the end of phase 2 examination, of course, and that ensures the comprehensiveness of this entire crash course. So if you are the one who is in need of it, I'm very excited to see you there. Hope you too are. Thank you.